Montenegro. Alright, this is the bedroom. And then over here we have the bathroom and the view. Look how pretty this view is.
Alicia, have you seen my foot creep? Oh shoot, you're recording. I mean, have you seen my drugs?
Taking a stroll outside the hotel. And we're stopping by the pool. Oh my gosh. Freaking gorgeous is this. I was trying to figure out the drone. So we finally got it back from our lost luggage. Wow, we got it.
Where are we at?
We are at Kotor.
The end. We are now climbing the city walls. It looks very high.
Apparently it's like over 1,300 steps.
We shall see where this takes us. Wow. Great view though over the city of Kotor. Yeah, I'm already tired and we climbed up like maybe 20 steps.
Okay, no, it's more than 20 steps. Got a big bottle of water.
You okay?
We made it.
Here, let me check your pulse. Yeah, you're dead. A little to your left. Yeah. This will be like one of those stock photos on Google.
Oh, big stretch.
Finish our hike, rewarding ourselves with some Aperol Spritz. Just for reference, we were literally all the way up there.
We got some sushi up in here. Some carpaccio, some tuna tartare.
Hello.
We are at Dukley's Luxury Resort.
It's a private mullet and Shandon Beach.
Yeah, we're bougie like that.
Check it out, so check it out, so
Where are we at, Alicia?
We are at a restaurant called Winery 65. It's really nice, really pretty.
And it has a view of the bay.
Vibes everywhere. So we're here at Lab to do our COVID PCR test in order for us to go back home. It's going to be like the same day results since we leave tomorrow. Hoping we're both negative.
I knew this day would come eventually, but I just didn't want to accept the fact that our honeymoon is almost over Yeah, it's been quite a trip. We've done a lot in a couple of days, a week and a half, and we're down to our last day today. And we are starting the morning off. Well, we started the morning off with a COVID test, which fingers crossed comes out negative. I'm sure it will. And then now we are waiting for our charter boat to pick us up so we can go to this blue cave. It's a short boat charter, but it should be fun. And yeah, sad. Bittersweet, I guess, because I miss my dog.
Yeah, I miss Max, but I don't want to leave here.
Should we just bring Max and move here?
We could do that.
Update on our life. We are moving to Montenegro with our
Maybe
dog.
just not Montenegro. How about Italy?
We are moving to Florence, then Montenegro with Max. We got on our boat. Shout out to Montenegro Wild Boats. We're literally going through this tunnel right now. Wow. What is this for?
It's made for submarine and army boats.
Oh.
It's built in the 70s.
I'm scared.
Are you ready?
I'm scared. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
One. One.
Oh my gosh.
It's like pulling a band-aid. Pulling a band-aid. One.
Oh gosh, I got it.
2, 3.
Now we're at our hotel pool and there's the beach like literally right over there. Drinking our Aperol Spritz and Pina Colada. Good news, we both got negative on our COVID test. So we're celebrating with some wine. We're at Castel Savina Winery. I think it's like the only winery like
In this vicinity.
in this vicinity. And from our hotel it was only like 10 minutes, so that's awesome. But seriously, like this view. Cheers, we're tasting some rosé.
Yeah.
Seedy.
One of the reserve wines we basically with the same technological procedures. Our annual production of wine that is aging, around 9,000 bottles.
Has come. We're leaving. Today is our last day.
Finally.
We're gonna be crossing the border back to Croatia. Can you back up? Stop it. Dude, you're terrible. Why can't you
Why do
just
you have
stop?
to take multiple photos like that? Take one photo and take a video. Gosh. Oh, you think I can just stop like that in the middle of the road?
Yeah, there's nobody here.
You never
Do
know.
you see anybody? There's
I do
literally
see-
no...